Camera.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We playing Uno. What's that?
Well, what kind of camera?
Oh yeah, I got this camera from Randy. This awesome camera to
Oh,
me.
you got a snitching ass camera? Real, man.
All right, who turn?
You can't hold a phone and play cards at the same time.
Well,
There's no way you can see everything.
well, okay. All right.
Man, we have a ball.
Yeah. Look what I got, y'all.
Cheating at it.
Oh, shut up.
Man, shut up.
Quiz. Oh yeah. By the way, Dwayne haven't been on my show. I mean, D Weez haven't been on the show
Oh.
for a while.
Been there for a minute.
Yeah. And Nala, what you want to say? Nala, what you, okay, never mind. What she want to say while she texting? Who? I'm just.
Shut your ass up.
All right.
Poo or something. That shit dry as fuck.
Dry? It's not wet.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean, you nasty, bro. You nasty. How about that?
Come on. You try this.
Who turn? No, I'm gonna go first, though. I was waiting. On my nerve bed. You know how I am.
Okay. All right, my toying. Okay.
Yeah, your turn.
Okay.
What see that, man? You got me.
Well, you did it to yourself.
I know what I did.
Yep.
You wanna.
Alright.
Okay, so check this out, y'all. Draw deuce, Nolly. Okay.
Who draw to me?
No, she draw two.
You did that?
Yep,
Yeah, I did draw too.
Oh, you draw on me? Man, that's hurtful.
No, she draw two.
Now it's your turn.
Oh, you picked. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't function with that phone.
There you go.
It's my turn.
Yep. Oh, that's queasy.
Oh, draw two on me again?
Oh, yeah, you have to draw two, not. All right, she better draw two. Yeah, she better draw deuce.
Yeah.
Who got to draw two?
Who put that green
I
one?
put that
She
down.
put it, that means,
No, you.
man, see, you got me. See, you and your camera distracting me, bro.
Well, it's your fault.
Yeah, your fault, nothing. Now it's your plate.
Okay.
How about okay, nothing?
Wild and the color blue.
Blue.
Yep. Your turn, Pooh. That's what they call her.
Green.
Dang.
Oh, that's nice. You call her Winnie the Pooh, huh?
Yep.
Your turn.
No, it's your turn.
What color green? He's eating.
Okay, let me see. Oh.
You all fuck.
Oh. Yeah.
You ain't doing nothing. Shoot.
Oh, you recording?
I'm all live.
Oh, you're on live.
It's my turn.
Yeah. At least I pay attention that you should.
Okay.
See the ways of the building.
Reverse back to me, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Piece of pie, piece of table, whatever the heck I'm trying to say. Go.
You don't know what to say. Shut up.
Okay.
Oh man. Yeah. What up,
Oh,
man?
my turn. All right, I got weed. It's weed.
It's rain, not we. We in America, bro.
Well, Elmer Fudd said that. Look.
He sounded foreign when he said it.
Okay.
Throw your ass fool.
No, it was my turn.
No, it was on me.
Oops.
You playing all out of turn.
All right, draw for me. Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yeah, I'm
So,
playing this game.
all right, who turn it is?
It's my turn.
Your turn, because I draw four on your ass.
Okay.
What the color is?
Green.
Oh, snap.
It's
Green, yeah. Green for the money. Tonight for the honey, now it's on you.
Okay, since you draw for me, you draw for. And the color is blue.
Such a dry ass look.
Dry.
What's the color then?
I said blue, damn it.
You ain't say it now.
Okay.
Now it's your turn now.
All right, damn it. There you go, damn it.
You say damn it.
It's my whose turn? It's mine.
Nah. Now it's your turn now.
What the hell?
I'm keeping it up.
Okay.
Green.
I think
Dang.
about to say pink.
There's no.
Pants is a wonderful word. When it's so peaceful, it should be pink.
Oh.
If it's red, you don't want to get violent.
Okay. Somebody messing this game up. Dang. Go. I would have said ha 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 ha, but I can't say ha ha ha. I definitely can't say ha 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 ha. Go. Your turn. I picked.
Really?
Well,
I'm gonna give you a chance.
well, guess what? I can't say ha 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 ha. So reverse back to you. Ha 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 ha.
Shit, fuck it.
Let's see. Oh shit, fuck it. Okay. Oh shit. All right. Number 4.
Yeah. Color blue anyway.
Oh, good. Draw 4.
You made me violent on your head. Cause it's blue. You got me feeling blue.
Oh. All right. There you go. Piece of cake.
I'm trying to win. Now it's on you.
Oh yes. Ha ha. There we go. Oh.
That was back on me. Yeah, I know.
Well, ha
What
ha.
I did.
So I can say ha ha ha.
I admit. I'm about to grab it. I'm about to take your turn. Damn, she's skipping me.
Oh
again.
no.
That's a lesson for me.
Dang.
You punish me then?
I can't say ha. Dang.
You punish me like that.
All right. I picked already.
Oh, yeah, no more punishment, please. Come on.
Oh yes. Look what I'm about to do, folks.
That small ass camera.
Yeah, I know.
That's that 2011 camera.
I guess so. No, I just put that 9 down as her toin.
Talking just as in a screaming.
Watch this, folks. Look what I got. Uno.
Oh,
Draw 2.
Lord, can I get a break?
Watch this, folks. I'm out. Haha. The first time I've
you
been out
finally
first.
won. About time.
All right, go.
Oh my.
It's between these 2 gadgets.
My turn.
Yes.
Green.
Hurry up.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
The winner.
That means I got to deal with it.
Alright.
All right. Now time to stop the tape.